Now that we have the basics of our page in place, it's time to talk about the hierarchy of your content. In addition to organizing things into the body, the header, the main, and the footer, and then individual sections, we also use things like headings and paragraphs to separate the content. The Level 1 heading, H1, is reserved exclusively for the main title of the entire page. You should never have more than one of these per page. H2 and H3 are like chapter titles or subheadings. They organize major features. You can also use H4 all the way down to H6 for dividing up smaller subsections of text. P is the paragraph. We've already seen how that works here in our footer, and it's just used for standard blocks of body text. I mentioned last time that I was going to be working within this section called Hero Dashboard for my demos, and that you would be able to come in and add some of your own code over in the bounty board. So let's look at the very first section here, A1. I want to add two headings, a level 2 heading and a level 3 heading. I'll start with the H2 since it's the next one after H1 and say Hero Dashboard. So this is essentially going to be the title for this entire section. And I'm going to insert a little emoji here. And then I'm going to have an H3 that says active character, Idrian, warrior class. And because I have the live server extension going, we see the automatic updates here as I'm typing. And you can see the hierarchy here, H1, H2, H3. They're all bold, but they get progressively smaller. When we learn how to create our own styling with CSS, we'll be able to do whatever we want with those. But the browser has these styles built in by default. Now let's go and add a paragraph right here using the P tag. I'll say, welcome to the personalized dashboard for your character. Monitor your equipment, current health metrics, and overall quest progress from this panel. And then, just for fun, I'm going to emphasize some text with the EM tag. Keep your wits about you. And we'll notice here that it's in italics. While ultimately you can style an EM tag to look however you want, just like you can do that with the headings, the browser automatically interprets that as italics. Now I'm realizing that this is a little bit small. I'm going to make this a little bigger so that you can see what I'm doing since I'm using a larger monitor. So you can experiment with this. You could add additional paragraphs if you want to. There's another semantic tag besides emphasis called strong that the browser will automatically change your text to bold. So when you come down here to do number A, you can add your level 2 heading, add a paragraph, and then use the strong tag to make gold coins bold. Then add a level 3 heading and you'll be done. Don't forget to make a commit before you move on. I will see you in the next demo.